Hi mga ka-dreamers! Welcome to our channel. Kami nga palang inyong real estate couple, April and Jovic, partners in life and partners in property. Dito sa vlog na to, we'll take you with us sa daily adventures namin, showing homes, meeting amazing clients, and sharing tips kung paano maging smart sa pagbili o pagbebenta ng property. So whether you're house hunting, investing, or just curious, samahan nyo kami as we help you find not just a house, but a home. Going to our weekly meeting sa office. So ayan, kung nakikita mo, dahil nakatira kami sa Lancaster, nandito na lahat. So bibili rin kami ng breakfast before meeting. And guys, kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng trabaho, may passion ka sa sales, gusto mong kumita ng malaki habang tinutulungan ang iba makahanap ng bahay, this might be for you. Kasi real estate changes our lives, and baka ito na rin ang simula ng bago mong journey. So kung ready ka na, i-level up ang life mo. Stay tuned kasi we'll share kung paano makasali sa exciting world na to. So send your CV or message us directly para malaman. Nandito na kami sa meeting, so till our next video!